Kalamandalam Rajan Kathakali dancer received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2009. Ustad Hashu Khan, Ustad Hadu Khan, and Ustad Natu Khan were exponents of Gwalior Gharana. Kotakpal Sawaraman is associated with Kathakali. Railway exams. Allah Rakha Qureshi Allah Rakha is an Indian tabla player, the founder of National Orchestra of India. Ravi Shankar. M.S. Subbulakshmi was an Indian Carnatic singer born in Madurai. Pandit Jasraj, an Indian classical vocalist, belongs to Mewati Gharana. Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshita, and Shyama Sastry are referred to as the Trinity of Carnatic music. Tarana singer Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma belongs to Mewati Gharana. Shagun Bhutani, Chitra Krishnamurti, and Kunkun Mahanti are dancers of Odissi. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi 2008 Bharat Ratna Khayal singer, belonged to Kirana Gharana. Tejan by a Pandavani exponent showcases Chhattisgarhi traditional art by performing tales of Mahabharat. The father of Carnatic music. Purandara Dasa, the musical player known as Sarod Samrat, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Zakir Hussain won the Best Contemporary World Music for Album Global Drum Project in 2008. Ustad Mohi Bahuddin Dagar is a legendary musician associated with Rudra Veena. M.S. Subbulakshmi, Priya Sisters, and Bombay Jayashri are exponent of Carnatic music. Sonal Mansingh is famous for Bharatanatyam and Odissi dance. Pandit Birju Maharaj is a Kathak dancer. Tansen learnt music for 11 years from Swami Haridas. Jamini Roy, Amrita Shergill, and Nandlal Bose are famous painters. Ganesh Pine is associated with painting. Police exams. Musician Bhajan Sopari was a santur maestro from Sufiana Gharana. The noted Sindhi Sarangi player Lakha Khan belongs to Rajasthan. Vaijayanti Kashi is an exponent of Kuchipudi. Chinta Krishnamurti is associated with Kuchipudi dance. Jayalakshmi Ishwar won Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2021 for Bharatnatyam. Ustad Latafat Hussain Khan is associated with Agra Gharana. Rajarshi Bhagya Chandra, famous dancer, is also known as Ningdao Chingthang Komba. Madan Singh Chauhan Guruji is a folk and Sufi singer from Chhattisgarh. Sahitya Akademi Award winner Maya Khutegaonkar is a Lavani dancer. Bharati Vithal is a Kuchipudi dancer. Gangme Aluna Kabini, a tribal Kabui dancer, is associated with Manipur. The Bhajan Samrat of India is Anup Jalota. Shima Karmani is associated with Bharatanatyam. Tanjore Bandhu Ponaya Vadivelu, Shivanandam, and Chennaya were exponents of Bharatanatyam. The Academy of Performing Arts and Research in Switzerland was established by Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. Sadashiva Pradhan is famous for Chhau dance. Fayaz Khan, Latafat Hussain Khan, and Dinkar Kakini are famous exponents from Agra Gharana. Lalan Fakir is famous for Baul folk music. The founder of Darpan Academy of Performing Arts is Mrinalini Sarabhai. Ustad Bade Gulam Ali Khan is associated to Kasur Patiala Gharana. Ghumar dance form was developed by Bhil tribe. Kalashram, a dance school in New Delhi, was started by Pandit Birju Maharaj. Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai was recognized for Bharatnatyam dance. Sunanda Nair completed her PhD from Mumbai University for her thesis on internal lyrical feminism, in which classical dance Mohiniyattam. Rani Karna is an exponent of Indian classical dance Kathak. Kalashram, a dance school, was opened by Pandit Birju Maharaj. The Kuchipudi Art Academy at Madras, now Chennai, in 1963 was founded by Venkapati Chinna Satyam. Gulabo Sapera, recipient of Padma Shri Award in 2016, is an exponent of Kulbalia dance. Famous actress Sudha Chandran is a accomplished dancer of Bharatanatyam. A dancer was called to perform for the coronation festivities of Queen Elizabeth. Though in 1953 Kumari Kamla Lakshmi Narayan Shastri is related to Kuchipudi, the dancer Ranjana Gauhar belongs to Odissi dance. The founder of Kadam School of Dance and Music is Kumudini Lakhia. Lakshmi Priya Mohapatra was associated with Odissi dance. Kalyani Amma is famously associated with Mohiniyattam dance. Yamini Reddy, daughter of Raja Radha Reddy and Kaushalya Reddy, is a Kuchipudi dancer. Padma Bhushan Awardee 2004 Alarmale Valley is a Bharatanatyam dancer. Kumudini Lakhia is associated with Kathak dance. Defense exams. Rukmani Devi Arundale is best known for the renaissance of which dance, Bharatnatyam dance. The first modern treatise on Hindustani classical music was written by Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. In 1918, Madhav Music School in Madhya Pradesh was started by Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. The musician Malini Rajukar belongs to Rampur Sahaswan Gharana. Pandit Vishwamohan Bhatt is a veena player. State PCS exams. Padma Bhushan 1998 awardee Guru Vempati Chinna Satyam is renowned for Kuchipudi dance. Jogen Datta Bayan is related to Satriya dance. Tanjore Bala Saraswati was a prominent dancer of Bharatanatyam. Padma Shri awardee 2020 Indira P. P. Bora Bharatanatyam Kuchipudi and Satriya dancer hails from Assam. Dr. Balamurali Krishna was an exponent of classical Carnatic music.